from Utah says, I'm going on a bike ride in Anchorage. Anything I should know? Let's find out. Hi, Molly.
Today we are going on a bike ride on Campbell Creek Trail in Anchorage. Before we start, we are using a flow diagram to do our safety check on the bikes.
First step is to check the tire pressure. My tire's a little squishy. Now we gotta check the brakes. Put the bear belt on the bike. Sometimes there's bears in the area. The bear belt is put on the bike because it tells bears that we are nearby, so they stay away.
Oh, next step is tie your shoes.
I had to strap my shoes because I didn't have laces. Next step says, put on your helmet. Those are all the steps on the flow diagram, so let's go. We were bike riding around the lake. Wow, this is fun! I like this bike ride because the flowers were pretty and I like the water.
Hey guys, let's stop here and look at the salmon.
Whoa. Hey, fish!
Oh yeah, we see it.
My favorite thing was when I went down the hill. It was fun.
Bye, Molly. Masicho, thanks for